you are looking to start Amazon FBA, finding deals is going to be the hardest part of your journey. You're going to spend hours and hours trawling lots of different websites, and you may find absolutely nothing because it's not that easy. However, in today's video, we are going to be showing you the best methods of sourcing your Amazon FBA product. And we've saved the best method until last, so make sure to stick around till then to see what we consider to be the best sourcing method for Amazon FBA. So the first method we have is called reverse sourcing. And what is reverse sourcing? This is where you find the product first and the supplier second. So typically when doing Amazon FBA, and especially online and retail arbitrage, you'll find the product first and then you'll look at the Amazon listing after and analyze all the data once you've actually found somewhere you can buy the product. Now with reverse sourcing, you do it the other way around. So you find the products you want to sell on Amazon, then you go and try to find somewhere to buy it. Now where this is most used in arbitrage is by copying other sellers' stores. So say you see another successful seller with loads of product, will look like they're doing Amazon FBA and it looks like they're doing arbitrage. So you can tell if they're doing arbitrage usually by just looking how much stock they hold. So if you go through some of their products, you can use the Profitl extension to do this, like on this product just here. You can click view stock data and then you could go through each of their products and see how much stock they're holding. If they don't have loads of stock, so say they have less than 20 units on every single item they're stocking, the chances are they are doing arbitrage, because if they're doing wholesale or private label, they're going to be buying in much larger quantities. So once you've found a good seller, all you do is you go through their products, try and find the ones you want to sell, and then try and find a retailer where they're actually buying it from. Now, some sellers would class this as sneaky and not the right thing to do, and really it is down to you how you want to run your business. However, there are no friendships when it comes to Amazon FBA. It is a very fierce marketplace. Everybody is out to win and people are only going to be doing it to you anyway, so why not join them and save yourself a lot of time when trying to find FBA deals. So the next method we have is using software to find your Amazon FBA products. If you are new to Amazon FBA, this is the method a lot of people choose just because it can save you a lot of time. It can save you a lot of a learning process when it comes to sourcing product. So something like this would be using Profitl's DealFinder. So you should be able to see the DealFinder on the screen just now. And how DealFinder works is we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US looking for a low price on the source website and a high price on Amazon. So if a product's £10 on Argos and it's currently selling on Amazon for £25, that goes into DealFinder as a potential deal. And what it means is it just saves people time having to trawl through lots of different websites, and it can also teach you websites as well, because when you first start, you're going to have no clue where to source your products from. And there's so many obscure websites which are great for sourcing, which you probably haven't ever heard of. So it's also a great way just to learn the websites where you should be sourcing from. Now the way it works is it just lists all of the products in here. So this gets updated twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. So this one's got 3,200 products in the last update, and set filters as well. So if you want to look at certain suppliers, prices, sales, bestseller ranks, or just certain suppliers on its own just here, you can do that. But as an example, just on this top product just here, so this is just sorted by the estimated number of sales. If we load this Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the color Mocha 30 milliliters, we can see we can buy this one on Morrison's for £4.50 and it's selling on Amazon for £9.80. And look at these sales, 4,000. However, this is a variation sale, and if you've seen our previous videos about analyzing deals, you'll know that these sales are for the whole listing. So we'll just come down here and we can view the variation sales. So it's selling 56 to 76 times a month, so not bad overall. But of course, it is important to remember when using any software, your competition is going to be increased when compared to just sourcing the products yourself. So that's why a lot of people start off using software to learn, and then they'll transition to their own method. Now, if you don't want to pay for specialist software, there are still ways you can use software to find your deals. So what you can do is you can utilize free deals. So here at Profitl, we have our deal of the day feature. So you should be able to see it on the screen just here. And this is a feature in our Discord. You'll see loads of products in here. And this is something we do for free for all Profitl members. And we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday, which we find just to help give our users inspiration on the types of deals out there. Now, we don't really recommend to buy these deals just because they do get seen by so many people, but it means you can branch off of these or you can learn new websites. So this is another way you can utilize software without actually paying for specialist deal finding software. Now, before we get into the next method, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which will save you some money on your Profitl subscription. We'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans forever or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans do already have over 50% off, so make sure to take that down. And when you are ready to start your Amazon FBA journey, it can save you some money on your subscription. Now, we're almost at our best pick for sourcing methods, but before that we have one more, which is manual sourcing. And manual sourcing is exactly how it sounds. You are sourcing manually. You are literally trawling through different websites, or you're going into shops and scanning loads of products, doing retail arbitrage. And you're doing all of this manually without the assistance of software, without utilizing other sellers. Now, this method is quite time consuming when first starting out because you are literally trawling through websites and you can spend hours and hours and hours and not find anything. So it can be quite disheartening. But as with anything, the more time you do spend doing it, the easier it does become. So a method someone may actually do this is they'll go into the sales section of a website. So we're on the early learning center just here. And this is often where you'll find the good deals. However, that's not always. You can also find deals just on normal priced items. But we've just been scrolling and we've come across this one. So this one's got 50% off. It's a Happy Land Sunny Farm playset. So £14.99. Now, it's selling on Amazon for £31.78. So of course, that's always the first thing we're looking for. And here's the data. So 18 to 28 sales a month, and it's 55% return on investment, £8.37 profit per unit. That was literally just from spending 10 minutes going through the sales section on the early learning center. And as you can imagine, there's so many different websites out there. So just by doing that, you can find a lot of products, and often these products may not have turned up in software, or by the time they do turn up, they're sold out. And that's why manual sourcing can be quite good. It just means you can find products a lot quicker because the internet is such a fast-paced world. Prices are always changing, stock levels are always changing. So manual sourcing is a great way of finding FBA deals. So for those who have stuck around, thank you very much. It's now on to what we consider the best method for sourcing products, and that is just in our experience what we like to do, and that is using a mixture of software and manual sourcing. So the reason we like this method is because it gets around our two big problems when sourcing products. First is time, and secondly is just finding unsaturated deals. So Amazon FBA is a very saturated marketplace. There are so many people selling on Amazon, so it is hard to find good deals which don't have loads of competition. Now, of course, this is possible, and it's quite easy to do when you know what you're doing. But using software and manual sourcing works great because we use the software to find potential deals and then branch off. So a lot of the deals we actually source are discounted, or there's an offer on, it's 3 for 2, or there's 50% off. And if we were having to find these offers, it would take us a lot of time. So what it means is we can find the websites which have these offers on, we can find the potential deals, and then we can branch off of them and find other products in the same brand, in the same category, which are also discounted. So for us, this is the most time efficient way of sourcing products, and it gives us the most success, and we know it gives many users the most success as well. Now, that's not to say it's the right method, and I'm sure there are many other sellers who have their own method who are very successful. The key with Amazon FBA is just trying lots of different methods, and you'll find one which works for you. But as we always like to remind people, Amazon FBA isn't an easy business model, and it does take a lot of hard work, a lot of persistence to become successful with it. But if you can do that, there's no reason why you can't build a really successful business selling on Amazon. But that's all for today's video. We hope you found it interesting. As always, you'll find all of our important links in the description and the Profitl discount code. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.